Kurmavatara means incarnation of Lord Vishnu as a turtle. It was the second incarnation of Lord Vishnu. In this incarnation, Lord Vishnu helped the Devatas and the Danavas, that means demons, to churn the milky sea and take out the nectar. One day, Rishi Durvasa visited Indraloka and gave Indra a divine garland as a gift, which was given to him by Lord Shiva. Indra placed the garland on the head of his elephant called as Airavata. Airavata dropped the garland while walking towards Indra and trampled it. Durvasa Muni was quick-tempered sage. He got angry with Indra for showing such disrespect to his gift, and he cursed him that he would be deprived of all his wealth and powers. Indra and others were traumatized and asked Lord Vishnu for his advice. The Almighty advised the Devatas to churn the ocean or Samudra Manthana. He also told the Devatas that they will not be able to do this without the Danavas or demons. Indra then met Bali, the king of demons or Asuras, and they agreed on doing Samudra Manthan and also agreed to distribute the nectar amongst the gods and the demons equally. For doing Samudra Manthana, they needed a rod, a rope, and a platform on which the rod would move. How would they find it? That's why they chose Mandara Parvata, as it was in the perfect shape and size which helped to churn such a big ocean. Then Vasuki, the serpent, agreed to be the rope to push and pull. They still had to decide who would get to hold the head of Vasuki and who would get the tail. The Asuras thought they would feel superior by holding the heads. Then Devatas chose the tail. As the churning began, big flares of poison started coming out of Vasuki's mouth, and the demon repented their decision. But Mandara Parvata started to sink in the ocean because of its weight. All of them prayed Lord Vishnu for his help. Thus, Lord Vishnu transformed himself into a big tortoise, Kurmavatara, the back of whom would serve as a platform for mountain Mandara. The first thing which came out of this was Hala Hala, the poison. This poison was so lethal that it could kill all the living beings. Because of this, Devatas and Danavas started to pray to Lord Shiva.
नमस्ते अस्तु भगवन् विश्वेश्वराय महादेवाय त्र्यम्बकाय त्रिपुरान्तकाय त्रिकाग्निकालाय कालाग्निरुद्राय नीलकण्ठाय मृत्युञ्जयाय सर्वेश्वराय सदाशिवाय श्रीमन्महादेवाय नमः.
After this, 14 Ratnas came out of the ocean. Kamadhenu, a cow that provides the desired things, which was given to the rishis for ghee to perform yajnas. Uchchaishrava, the divine seven-headed horse. Bali, the king of demons, owned this horse. Airavata, a four-tusked elephant, along with 8 female elephants, was owned by Indra. Kaustubamani, the precious gem, was seated with Lord Vishnu. Kalpavriksha, a tree fulfilling one's wishes. This was granted to Indra. Apsaras, nymph like Rambha, Menaka, Punjisthala, they went to Indra. Varuni, a divine woman carrying a form of wine. Chandra, which means the moon. Parijata, a divine tree with beautiful flowers, was acquired by Indra. Shankha, the conch, was resided with Vishnu. Sharanga, a powerful bow. After these, Mahalakshmi, the goddess of wealth, emerged from the ocean, who accepted Mahavishnu as her husband. Then Dhanvantri, the physician of gods, emerged from the ocean. He was holding Amrita, the nectar, drinking which one becomes immortal, in a golden pot. When Amrit came out, the Rakshasas started fighting over it. The Rakshasas even tried to snatch the pot of nectar. Then Lord Vishnu transformed himself into a beautiful woman, Mohini, who mesmerized the demons. Mohini asked the demons to clean up themselves and she would distribute the nectar. The demons agreed. By that time, all the Devatas were served Amrita by Mahavishnu in the form of Mohini. Thus, Devatas drank the nectar and became immortal. On the other hand, demons could not drink the nectar and were defeated by Devatas. This way, Mahavishnu helped restore the dharma by supporting the good.
कूर्माकृते त्ववतु नर्मात्मपृष्ठधृतभर्मात्ममन्दरगिरे धर्मावलम्बन सुधर्मा सदा कलितशर्मा सुधावितरणात् दुर्मानराहुमुखदुर्मायि दानवसुमर्माभिभेदनपटो घर्मार्ककान्तिवरवर्मा भवान् भुवननिर्माणधूतविकृतिः.
If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to Divyakhyanam.